download the name of the software. Like if you want to install the Skype, if you want to install the TeamViewer, or you are going to install any software, so you will search about it. Why I am selecting the LeapPad? It is actually a small package, so that is the reason I am going to use this. Okay, let me check if it is available. Whatever we are doing, we are searching for this, or I want to install the Skype. So whatever software you need to be installed, first you are going to be and download. That is it. Nessus is one very important software which is used for the download. So right now you can check here the Skype for the desktop. This is available the Windows, Mac and Linux. And here you need to be install the, actually this is using the Snap. Snap is similar like Android, Google Play Store or something. So this is similar like this. You need to be sign in and the installation will be start. Another example I am showing you. If you want to install any program, so you need to be select the version, then you will select here which version you are want to install. Okay, so this is the actually size of this version is there. When you will select here, then you will install. When you will click the download, the downloading will be start. Okay, now this is the way where you can use the curl command and then download this file. So you can check here, the file name is it visible? The file name is finishing with the dev here, .dev. So .dev files are used to install in a Kali. Similar, these files can be installed in a Ubuntu or any Debian-based operating system is there, you can install. Okay, so what you will do, you will just download from here and then install on your Linux machine. This is the one way. You will download and then you will install. Okay, because maybe it will take a lots of the time, so that is the reason. Okay, I am going to download this first. Here two options are there. First option is I can download directly, click here. Either I can copy this and then run in a URL and it will be downloaded. Okay, so whatever the method you will like, the best method is graphical if you are using. If no graphical available, then you can. So downloading has been started. It will take a short time to complete the downloading. Until this will be download, I am going to explain you another thing. Okay, so you can check here the downloading has been completed. So this package is .deb, if you can see here. Either I am going to move into the downloads because these are this file has been downloaded inside this, and I am going to check by using the ls command. So you can check here the Nessus and this command. So if you have downloaded any package from the source, any website, this I am going to show you the dpkg. So what is the full form is package manager, dpkg. So this is used for the installation of the program. So for the detailed information you can use the -- help option. It will show you how you can install the program. For the installing the program, you will use the -- install. Then you will use install, where it is gone, root directory. Okay, here maybe the possible is here -i or the -- install, then give the Debian file name. Okay, but keep in mind when you are running from here the dpkg and hyphen install, and then you will use the nessus and hit enter. So what the error you are getting? You are getting the error you are not permitted, or you required a super user privilege. So super user means either you will be the sudo. So I am going to use the sudo here and -i for the install and give the nessus the file name, the full name of the file, right? So once you will give the full name here, then you will hit enter. So I am going to move again, doing the clear everything, then sudo dpkg and -i, and then give the nessus and hit enter. Provide the installation process here. So what it is doing, it is installing this and unpacking this, and the installation has been done. Now it is saying you need to start this service by running this command and this. So nessus has been installed. Similar, the other software you can download from any source which are not exist over the repository. Now the question is this: what is the repository and why we need to use this? Okay, so let's explain something or discuss about the repository. For the example, there is some software, XYZ software is dependent on the ABC software, and ABC software is dependent on the D software, and D software is dependent on the BY software. So what you need to do, first you need to install the BY, then you will install the D, then you will install the ABC, then you will install the XYZ. Because if the Y is not exist, so D will not work. If the D will not work, then the ABC will not work. If the ABC will not work, then the XYZ will not work. So you need to install the all packages. So why using the dpkg, it will display the error, dependency error. There is a dependency error, you need to install these dependency first. So once you will install these dependency first, then when you will install this ABC, it will show again the error. You need to install the D package, then you will do it, then it will say the BY package you need to install. Okay. So this is the biggest problem to installing the any independent package. Okay, so what happened, make the popularity of their operating system like the Kali Linux. So the organization want to make the popular to the Kali Linux. So what they will do? They will create a repository server. So what is the repository server? Repository means there is any software, for the example XY software. So there is a testing team inside, development and testing team inside the Kali Linux. They will download the XYZ, they will install over the Kali Linux, and they will check it is working fine or not. So at the time installation, they will find there is a ABC program, there is a D program, there is a BY program. So they will store these program along with the XYZ, ABC and D and BY. So these packages will be stored over the repository. So what is the repository? Repository just a server which having the store all the available packages which are supporting inside the Kali Linux and their dependencies as well. Okay, so if you want to install any program along with the dependency, then you should not use the dpkg. Okay, in this case you will use the another command. It is called apt, or it is called apt-get. So this command will be used to install the program from the repository. So this command will satisfy all the dependencies, means it will install the package along with the dependency. So if anybody will ask you what is the difference between the dpkg and the apt command, so you can say the dpkg is used to install the independent package, but and you need to be install separately dependency. But when you are using the apt command or the apt-get command, then you will have to install the package. The package will be installed along with the dependency, right? That is the different. So okay, how it will work, I am going to show you. Like I was downloading and installing the leafpad previously. So I am using the sudo command and apt, then install and give the package name. So package name is a leafpad. But now the question is this, yes, if I will get some error here, so the installation has been start. But for the example, if there is any problem, any issue, and it is not installation, or it is showing the package does not exist, or it is showing the wrong entry of the whatever the error you are facing, so you need to be check the repository as well. So how you will check the repository, or how you will configure these repository? Okay, so in a Kali Linux, when I am going and search for the Kali Linux repository, right, Kali Linux repository, so I am open the new page here, and in this page you will find there is a multiple repositories are there. So there is a multiple repositories, but you need to be copy a specific repository and make the entry inside this file. So how you can add these repository? Simply first you need to be check which repository you going to be install. First you need to check this using this command, if there is any repository available or not. So you will check by using this command. Either you can directly open this particular file to check for the repository. So how you can do that? Simply you need to be use the cat command and etc, then apt and source list, and you can check here the deb Kali Linux, this is written here. So what is this? This is actually the address of the repository, address of the server where all the program and their source codes are available. This is the software. So here it is already written, and make sure you should not have the hash in the front of this file, this line. If you will have the hash here, so it means this file will not work. So in this case you will use the vi editor or the cat editor or the nano editor, whatever you love, or there is a one more editor, mousepad, and so use the mousepad and etc, then apt, and inside there is a source list. फिर इसके बाद you can check here, there is a one source which don't have the hash in the front of the file. So now you can check here, there is a this file is here. If there is a no entry, so what you will do, like I am going to remove all the entry here. I don't want any entry here. And so what I will do, I will go on this location, and here I will copy this particular deb. Make sure you will have to copy all the line, full line, then copy and then paste here. And once you will paste here, then you will do the as, oh my god, I need to use this because actually I am using the normal user, so that is the reason I am getting the error. Because whatever this file you need to run, you want to be added this file, you will have to use the sudo privilege, then sudo and use the mouse pad, and then use the /etc and then apt and the source list file. Okay, now the file will be open and you can remove all the data here, and then you can make this entry and control S. When you are saving this file, and if you want to be check your changes has been done or not, so you can use the cat command to check the content inside the file. So you can check here, the content is written.